nose is bleeding.
That is deep snow. Denny, hi. You working with Dad? Dad, what are you doing?
Just dropping this up so it stays nice and neat.
Hi. We're gonna watch Lacey go down the hill. Hi.
Your pop coming down the snowplow.
This is Pop.
This is the way to pick a way. Brick. Brick. This is the way to pick a wedge in Snowstorm. Take off the gloves. Don't watch this. Sorry, don't look.
Britt, come on, stop. It's my big.
Alright, now
Woo!
go down the hill.
Dad,
Get this snow in like how
are
many?
we going anywhere? Are we going sledding?
Yeah, we won't get this much snow in like another lot of years.
Are we going
It's like 10
sledding?
inches of
Huh?
snow.
Are you going sledding?
I don't care.
Hey, Dan. Oh my God, they're giant icicles. Hey, Pop. We won't get this much snow in like a long time. Look at Brittany. Dad! Look at this. Look at what Pop made.
Sorry, Pop.
Hey, Britt. I can't find it. What are you doing? Gotta try to walk in this stuff. Dan, what are you doing? Can't even get up.
Can you get it off?
I can't even walk.
Nope.
Look how deep it is.
Pop, help me up. Pop, please.
Look how deep it is. Oh my God, I just fell in.
Shut up.
Oh my gosh. That's how deep it is. It's up to here. That's how deep it is.
No.
Look at the car. You can barely see it. You go sledding down it. Look how deep this snow is. Oh God, I can't walk in it. Oh my gosh. It's up to my knees. That's how deep it is. It's up to my knees. This is my knee. Wow, look at the garage. No. What's the matter with it?
Not just one weight's coming off, that's all.
Hey, Lace, clean off the trampoline. Looks like it's had its share of snow. Britt, go help Lace clean off the trampoline.
Can we go on it?
Gotta clean it off. Britt, your gloves. They're over here.
Right over there. Look at that shovel over there.
She's got gloves right over.
Does she have my gloves?
No, your gloves are over here on the step. Lace, push it out the side door. Push the snow off this out of the little door. Out the same way you came in. Maybe you guys could start on the outside and push the snow off of it first. You know what I mean? See around the outsides?
Yeah.
And push the snow off onto the ground. That's it. What happened to you?
Come on. How do you want me to get there?
Get up and walk.
Don't take me. Gotta make a way. It's an old-fashioned way. Hey! Ice sword.
An ice sword.
It really helps. Jeff, you have to take me.
Where are you?
Alright, Rob, watch this. I bet you won't see me.
Hey, Britt, go clean off the trampoline.
Uh-oh. Hey, Sid. Mom, look, you ready?
What?
I bet you won't see me because...
Yeah, I think you started giving us in the course, man. It's been long for hours.
Can you sit close to
I gotta tighten up that one
Chain?
weight.
What's it take to get these kids to do something?
Little help here.
We'll pay you $10 to clean off the trampoline. What'd I tell you? Look, check that out. Look at them. Can't move fast enough.
We can get up.
15 if you get it cleaned off in 5 minutes.
Make it 20. Can you make it 20?
20 cents.
Yeah.
Who wants 20 cents?
Huh? No, these are hot.
You know, that's bad. They wouldn't clean up trampoline unless I said I'd pay them.
Their trampoline.
I know. Joke's on them. I'm not paying them. I just wanted to see how they would move, and they moved real fast. Then as soon as I said it, I got up real fast. Den's lost.
Don't push on my side.
You okay, Den?
Push it up. Mom, now's the time to have fun. Not to clean off people's trampolines.
It's your trampoline.
You know, when we see this tape right now, I'll hear what he just said. I don't know. Here, look, Daddy. Here, look. Hi. Yeah, I was cleaning too. How about?
Yeah.
Take it up like
Yeah, it's
that.
actually pretty nice out.
Mom, take it out.
Yeah, it's actually nice out there.
Take it out.
Hey, Den, why don't you close the door?
No one's getting out of the
There's my car. So much for that.
Huh?
So much for that.
What?
The car.
Yeah, it should be coming out in about July.
Oh, May.
Oh, Dad. Dad.
What? Did you tell everybody on there this is our house in Alaska?
Yeah.
Dad.
What?
Can you help us?
Oh, do you think I got a lot to do today?
No.
Okay then.
Look at Daddy cleaning off his truck.
See us build a snowman or something instead of watching us build off a trampoline.
No, we like watching his work.
Well, I'm sure the audience does.
There's Brittany throwing clothes away.
Mom, wouldn't you rather us screaming for joy instead of screaming for pain?
I'm gonna take this out back and start.
Lace, you'll be screaming in pain. Doesn't look like it. The snow's on the bottom of the ground. Don't cry. I'm coming.
Look, now stand up. I'm pulling over there. Wow, now you tell me to pull him over there.
Go ahead,
Look
Lace.
at my footprints.
Help him up.
He is up, Mom. He's walking. You walk, you move your feet. And
Lacey, pick him
up.
up.
He has to learn. Get up.
Lacey, don't treat him like that.
How am I supposed to treat him? Come on, Dad. Get up. He doesn't even get up. It's not going to help anything. I can't. Get up.
Come on, Dan.
There's no, snow covering him. There's a perfect spot for him to get up. I mean, right there, I can see why he needs help, because he was stuck like this. He was like this. He was like, I can't get up.
It's like quicksand.
Excuse
Oh, look, he's up. You did it, Dan.
No, I did it. No, I did it. I did it. Wasn't for me when he got up in the snow. Ow. Mom, did you notice there's birds living in there?
Mm-hmm. What?
Well,
For what?
For a snowball!
For what?
Because I just said so now. Blow one. Blow one.
Be nice. Smile. With your teeth showing. You gotta say please. You gotta say please, Lacey. Hi. This is ridiculous. Okay. Now I gotta go throw a snowball at Denny. All right. Coming. Wait, if you're gonna throw a snowball at me, then no.
Right there. Stop right there.
Where?
Pick up a snowball. Pick up a snowball.
Pick up a snowball. Okay, you gotta pick up. I'll pick up this snowball.
Okay.
Oh, wrong direction. Oh, what do you think you're doing? This snowball. All right, then we're gonna go. Okay?
No.
Yeah. I'm going to go somewhere else. Look at the car. You won't even notice it's a car. Daddy won't be going to work tomorrow. It's all snowed in. Look at them wheels. Oh, look at the car. Oh yeah, you wanna know where it's living? It's living in that trash can right over there, or under that steps. Let's see where it's at. That is also on the porch. Yeah, it's on the porch. So where'd it go? It's like king of the hill. There's cars on the street. I'm surprised. All right, then. Do you want to go play somewhere else? For what? Doing?
For a snowball.
For what?
That's wrong.
Christ flings it. Oh God. Oh God. Watch me like. Whoa! Oh God. Look at her chicken. Pop won't be pushing reverse today. Brittany had to go. She's waiting to see. Look at that trampoline. I had to get under there. Shame on Tina. Danny! There he is. Dan! it's all bumpy like that. Meow. Then people are snowed in. Oh God. Dan, what you doing? Dan. What is he doing? Doing? Oh my gosh. Dad! We got a plow on our lawnmower. Oh God. It was freezing today. Even the plants are freezing. It's horrible. It really is. Oh, look, they're just driving down.